In the depths of solitude a friend appeared, a beacon of kindness, a soul so dear. Through laughter and tears we faced it all. Through stormy seas we sailed, our hearts intertwined in the chaos of life. You were my rock, guiding me with love, unlocking every lock. Through the years our friendship grew. In moments of darkness you were the light, a constant presence, shining ever so bright. The words unspoken yet perfectly understood, our souls danced to the rhythm of trust, a friendship so timeless it never will rust. Through seasons of change and paths unknown together, we ventured, never feeling alone, a sanctuary of friendship forever bound. With each passing day our story is told. Through distance and space our hearts remain near, a friendship eternally, love so sincere.